Guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I'm playing Hot Wheels Race Off Daily Race Off Part 7. Unfortunately, I keep on dying on this one because I'm trash. Well, I'm not trash, I just haven't played this game in a long time. Like a long time no see. But yeah, today Anch is coming, so I might make a video with him, but like he isn't being very nice today. Like, he isn't being very nice to me right now, so alright, doing so I'm sorry, Aunt, if you're watching that. Alright, I just need to go, blah, 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 do that. Am I finally gonna beat this? You don't know how happy that makes me. Alright, go collect me prize. Okay, that's bad. That's kind of good, I guess, if I get supercharged. That's even better. Oops. I accidentally clicked into one. Alright, I'll just quit. Oh yeah, guys, I'm just gonna open up some chests. Alright, so now I have quite a bit of gems. I'm so close, oh my gosh. Alright. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! That was funny. Accidentally paused the video. Bye!